If you are about to spend your hard-earned money on a brand new sub-250-gram drone, you may want to hold off for a little longer. A wave of alleged factory reports, engineering blueprints, and supply chain rumors surrounding the highly anticipated DJI Mini 6 Pro has sparked intense discussion across the drone community. According to these reports, DJI could be preparing one of the most significant upgrades ever seen in the lightweight drone category. If even a portion of these leaked specifications turns out to be accurate, the Mini 6 Pro may blur the line between compact travel drones and professional aerial filmmaking platforms in a way that was previously thought impossible. At the center of the excitement is the camera system. For years, pilots choosing an ultralight drone had to accept compromises in image quality, particularly when shooting in challenging lighting conditions. The smaller size and strict weight limitations often meant smaller sensors, reduced dynamic range, and weaker low-light performance compared to larger professional drones. However, leaked information suggests that DJI may be planning to overcome many of these limitations with a new 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor architecture. This would represent a substantial leap forward for a drone that remains under the crucial 249-gram threshold. A stacked sensor design offers major advantages over traditional sensors because the processing circuitry and imaging layer are separated. This allows the sensor to read data much faster while collecting more light. For creators, that could mean cleaner footage, better shadow detail, improved highlight retention, and significantly reduced rolling shutter effects. Fast-moving scenes, rapid turns, and windy flight conditions often expose the weaknesses of smaller camera systems, but a stacked sensor could help eliminate many of those problems. The result would be smoother, more professional-looking footage that rivals what much larger drones can produce. Perhaps the most talked-about leak involves the possibility of a true mechanical variable aperture ranging from f1.8 to f11. If accurate, this would be an extraordinary feature for a drone in this class. Many drone operators understand the frustration of constantly swapping ND filters whenever lighting conditions change. During sunrise, sunset, or rapidly shifting weather, valuable shooting time can be lost landing the drone, changing filters, and relaunching. A built-in variable aperture would allow pilots to adjust exposure instantly from the controller, maintaining ideal shutter speeds and cinematic motion blur without interrupting the shoot. Combined with the larger sensor, this optical system could unlock impressive video capabilities. Reports suggest the Mini 6 Pro may support oversampled 5.3K recording along with 6K video at up to 60 frames per second. Such specifications would dramatically increase flexibility during editing. High-resolution footage allows creators to crop, stabilize, zoom, and reframe shots without sacrificing image quality. It also provides greater freedom when producing content for multiple platforms, including vertical video formats for social media. For travel filmmakers, vloggers, and commercial content creators, that level of flexibility can be a major advantage. Slow-motion enthusiasts may also have something to look forward to. Rumored support for 4K recording at 120 frames per second would enable ultra-smooth cinematic slow motion. Whether capturing athletes in motion, dramatic landscape reveals, ocean waves, or fast-moving vehicles, high frame rate recording can transform ordinary footage into something far more immersive and visually striking. Image quality is about more than resolution alone. Leaked documents indicate DJI may continue expanding its professional color workflow by including advanced recording options such as 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color profiles. These formats preserve significantly more color information and dynamic range than standard video profiles. For professional editors, this translates into greater flexibility during color grading and post-production. Bright skies, sunsets, and high-contrast scenes can retain more detail, while shadows remain cleaner and more natural. Safety technology appears to be another area receiving a major overhaul. According to supply chain reports, DJI could replace traditional vision-based obstacle avoidance systems with an advanced omnidirectional LiDAR solution. Conventional obstacle sensors depend heavily on ambient lighting conditions and become less reliable at night or during low-light operations. LiDAR actively scans the environment using light pulses, generating detailed three-dimensional maps regardless of lighting conditions. If implemented successfully, this technology could provide dramatically improved obstacle detection during dawn, dusk, and nighttime flights. This enhanced environmental awareness would work alongside a new generation of artificial intelligence flight software. Internal reports describe an upgraded subject tracking system capable of understanding scene composition rather than simply locking onto a target. Instead of following a subject in a predictable line, the drone could potentially anticipate movement patterns, create smoother cinematic camera paths, and maintain framing even when a subject temporarily disappears behind obstacles. Such technology would be particularly useful for filming sports, vehicles, outdoor adventures, and wildlife. Powering all these advanced capabilities would require significant computing resources and an extremely reliable transmission system. Leaks point toward the debut of DJI's next-generation O5 transmission platform. Compared with previous systems, O5 is expected to offer lower latency, stronger signal stability, and improved interference resistance. For pilots operating in cities or crowded environments filled with wireless signals, a stronger connection can make a tremendous difference in both safety and usability. A stable high-definition live feed allows creators to focus on composition rather than worrying about signal interruptions. One of the biggest questions surrounding these leaks is how DJI could fit so much technology into a drone while maintaining the critical sub-2 49-gram weight classification. The answer may lie in advanced materials and battery innovations. Reports suggest DJI is experimenting with higher-density solid-state battery technology. Compared with conventional lithium-ion batteries, solid-state designs can potentially store more energy while reducing overall weight. If these reports are accurate, pilots could see meaningful improvements in flight endurance without increasing the drone's size or weight. Industry observers believe the timing of these leaks aligns with DJI's broader product roadmap. Many insiders expect an official announcement during the upcoming holiday season, positioning the Mini 6 Pro as the company's flagship ultralight drone. Given the rumored hardware upgrades, pricing is expected to sit at the premium end of the Mini lineup, with Fly More combo packages and advanced controller options pushing costs even higher. When viewed as a complete package, the rumored DJI Mini 6 Pro appears far more ambitious than a routine yearly refresh. The combination of a larger stacked sensor, mechanical variable aperture, advanced AI tracking, LiDAR obstacle avoidance, next-generation transmission technology, and potential solid-state battery innovation suggests a product designed to redefine expectations for lightweight drones. While these details remain unconfirmed until DJI makes an official announcement, the leaks paint a picture of a drone that could dramatically reshape the compact aerial filmmaking market and give creators capabilities that were once reserved for much larger and more expensive professional platforms.